Hi folks, so welcome to my garden. I decided to plant some plants this year and show you what they look like. These are some slow motion video of some of the plants there, and then I go into some narration about some of the different plants that I've planted so far. Thanks for watching. This one's the Trinidad scorpion plant. It's one of the hottest peppers in the world. And here we have a regular bell pepper plant. See the bell peppers on it? I think they're getting a little scorched by the sun though. This is my arrangement of onion plants. They're starting to get bigger and bigger and grow bigger onions in the bottom. In the bottom here I've got, these are lettuce plants. I've heard that they grow with onions, and so they're growing pretty good with these. Here we have cucumber plants. These are cucumbers that are the type that are used for pickles, and as you can see there's some pickled cucumbers forming, like for instance right here. There's a big one underneath the leaves there. They only get about 3 or 4 inches in length. There's one right there, you can see it through the leaves right there. And then I have, these are bok choy, and they are almost end of life because they are blooming. See the blooms on them? This one here has bloom on it. This one here is an eggplant. It's got some flowers on it. Get through here. Let's take a look at this one here. Here's some tomato plants. These plants are, I'd say, I think they're like an heirloom type tomato. And then over here I have cherry tomatoes. And these cherry tomato plants are actually forming cherry potatoes. Not potatoes, cherry tomatoes. And they form them in little strands of ladder, like a ladder. See the 2 ladders there that are growing out from the plant? They've got little baby cherry tomatoes on it. Over here I've got a giant, well, the plant's giant. This is the small pumpkin that's forming. This is a pie pumpkin plant. Would be what you use for jack-o'-lanterns. These would be used for making pies. There's kind of sweet, they call them sweet pumpkins. Every day this plant comes out with some new flowers. Some of them are male and some are female. Remember, the ones that are female are the ones that form the pumpkins. And these here are the male flowers. They bloomed this morning, and now they've already closed up tonight. But this plant is a vining plant. It's growing out in all different directions. When I planted it actually was 3 plants in one. And as you can see, there's all the plant there. Now I've got a zucchini plant here, and I've been collecting zucchinis from this plant. It's got some nice zucchinis forming down there, I think. Well, there's a few. And this is also a zucchini plant. I have 2 of them. This one I just picked up a big gigantic zucchini off this one. I just got through transplanting these 2 plants. This one and this one. These are little pepper plants. It's actually called a black jalapeno pepper, and it's weird because when the leaves first came out on this one and the other one, they were almost black. They're still black. I mean, see that there? You can see the leaves, the beginning leaves. I don't know how to pronounce it, but there's a name for the beginning leaves, and those came out black. I'm not sure how the rest of the plant's going to turn out. Maybe just green. And over here we have potato plants. These are coming up. There's one, there's a few. I've got them in a row here. And there's 3 rows. There's the 3rd row of potato plants. And those potato plants are tubers. You actually let them grow out roots, just like a potato that you buy in the store, but the potatoes in the store are treated, so they won't work as well as ones you buy as seed potatoes. Once you get the seed potatoes, then you let them grow little roots, and then you cut them up wherever the tubers are. You let them dry up a little bit for a day, and then you plant them in the ground 4 inches down. And these took a couple weeks, about 3 or 4 weeks, before they came up as plants. These are African daisies. They haven't shown any flowers yet. They will be. And I have some zinnias. These are, this one here is a red one. This one's about to bloom all the way. This one too. And I have a white one that's bloomed so far. So they're all coming out with little flowers. One last plant that I forgot to mention about was this poblano pepper plant. As you can see here, there's one poblano pepper forming on it right there, I think in the middle of the screen. So in a few weeks that thing should be a full-grown pepper, hopefully. Okay, so there you have it. That's the full garden tour of all the different plants I've planted so far in this garden. They're growing well, and although it's been hot lately and they're taking lots of water. That's it. Thanks folks for watching.